What's going on YouTube? I want to welcome you back to the channel. So today's video is just going to be a little quick video, just kind of give you some updates on a couple of things. As you can see, I've got the Africa Twin all back together, but unfortunately I'm still waiting on my brakes. I ordered it from a company out of Italy, and I emailed them last week after about 3 weeks, and they said, well, we're going to ship them out tomorrow, I hope. And I emailed them yesterday and I hadn't heard nothing. According to a couple of reviews I saw on the internet from this company, I don't know whether they want to blame Brembo or whether they want to blame the company I ordered it from, but the company I ordered it from said that Brembo is having some supplier issues. So I don't know. So I'm still waiting on my brakes to actually do a couple more maintenance things I'm wanting to do, but I don't really want to have to take the back tire off until I get the brakes, because I can still ride it. The rotors are a little thin, but it's not, to me, dangerously thin to where I feel uncomfortable riding it. So, but the next thing, as you can see, I got the Sportster loaded up. I got a sidecar that I got to take to Florida. I'm not going to say whose it is, because they may not want people to know right now. So as I said, I'm going to Florida here in a couple of days. I'm going down there for the spring annual Forgotten Angels Campout. It's one of those where, because I'm taking the sidecar down there to somebody, I'm actually going to be driving the truck, but I'm going to be down there. I'm going to have the Sportster. Some of y'all haven't seen the Sportster, at least down there at Tampa, and I think it'll be pretty cool to have it down there, because a lot of those bikes, I mean, they got bikes, all different model bikes and everything else, but kind of, it's a Harley. What can I say? I mean, I enjoy my Africa Twin, don't get me wrong, but I've already taken the Africa Twin down there, so why not take the Sporty and give it a little bit of love, right? But if you're going to be at Forgotten Angels, try to come find me, because I've got some new stickers. It's one of those where I'm going to have a couple of my old stickers to at least I'll run out, but if you got an old sticker, or if you want another old sticker, by all means. But I'm going to be passing out my new sticker with the channel name change and kind of my logo that I've got and everything else. I've already got a few of those stickers kind of dedicated to somebody or some people, but till I run out, y'all come find me there at Forgotten Angels. And if y'all aren't doing anything this weekend, March 16th, 17th, and 18th, y'all come down there. It's definitely a really good cause. The kids there, I think, really appreciate us coming down there to hang out with them. They really do. And I kind of enjoy being down there with them, even though this is my second time. But last year I had a blast down there, not only being with all the people down there, but also just hanging out with the kids. I had my Africa Twin washed by one of them, and they did a pretty good job. So y'all come on down there if you're not doing anything. So yeah, that's kind of all I got for this video. I know it's kind of short and sweet, but it's one of those that I kind of wanted to let you know what I'm waiting on to do a little bit more maintenance on the Africa Twin. And just kind of also let you know that I got stickers. If you want a sticker, leave me a comment and try to get up with me, and I'll try to get one out to you as quick as I can, at least until I run out. Then I'll have to order some more. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and just leave me a comment, let me know y'all were here. I much appreciate reading the comments and seeing who all is actually watching and commenting and everything. I enjoy it. And share it with some friends, share it with some people that may want one of my new stickers. And also continue to share my new channel name with people that may not realize that I've changed my channel name. So until the next video, always take the center route, and I'll see y'all then.